Sitting where the sun meets quiet waves, letting all the noise drift far away. Salted air is filling up our lungs. Every word we say comes out unsung. We don't need to chase another thing, just the simple hush the water brings. You lean back and close your eyes a while. All I hear is your unspoken smile. Let the daylight set the tone. We're together, we're already home. Sun on quiet waves with you. Baseline breathing in the fading blue. Every little heartbeat in this view feels like calm light pouring into you. If the world comes crashing through, I'll remember sitting here with you. Morning breaks on a golden line. Coffee in your hand, your fingers tangled in mine. We walk slow where the shoreline goes, trading little secrets only daylight knows. Every wave is a soft hello to all the versions we used to know. Now we're new in this ocean view. Every breath feels lighter next to you. We don't need a reason to follow where this breeze has blown. Just another season where we make the coast our own. If the world feels heavy, let's leave it far behind. Sun-kissed horizons painted on our minds. Out here where the sky runs free, you're the only gravity, pulling me closer as the day unwinds. Sun-kissed horizons in your eyes I find. We'll stay till the stars show through. Let the night wrap round us too. We're chasing the glow, never looking behind. Sun-kissed horizons with you on my mind. Time is just a tide that slips away, then let it wash our footprints from the bay. But keep this light that we found today inside your soul when the skies turn gray. Don't wake me from this golden wave. Don't pull me from the glow you gave. Don't wake me from this golden wave. Our heart's the only thing we save. kitchen floor. You dance barefoot by the door. Toast is burning, kettle sings. Still you spin like queen of things. I sit on the countertop, watch you move and never stop. In the simple morning light, everything just feels alright. We don't have big travel plans, but we've got two clumsy hands, turning cereal and tea into some small fantasy. Sunbeam on the kitchen floor with you turns this tiny house into something new. We don't need a golden shore when we got the squeaky door. Sunbeam mornings every day make the quiet feel okay. You drop jam on your new shirt, laugh and say it doesn't hurt. We clean up and play a song, sing the chorus way too long. Outside world can wait a bit, we're not ready to commit to the rush and to the calls. Let's stay here between these walls. In this tiny sunny space, we can slow our inner pace. Every breath and every grin feels like summer on my skin. Sunbeam on the kitchen floor with you turns this tiny house into something new. We don't need a golden shore when we've got this squeaky door. Sunbeam mornings every day make the quiet feel okay. Your shadow swims across the painted sand. We write tomorrow with our open hands. Sunbeam halos in your messy hair. Every little laugh is salt and air. We're skipping stones on silver lines, counting seconds as the day unwinds. Every echo in the foamy blue feels like it's repeating me and you. Hold on to this golden sound. Feet off the earth, we're off the ground. If the clouds come rolling in, we'll still feel this on our skin. Sunbeam over tides, we're glowing. Nothing but our hearts still knowing. Baseline tracing circles in your chest, waves and colors doing all the rest. Sunbeam over tides, don't lose it. Every little moment we choose it. Let the day get louder in our heads, we'll just ride the light instead. This is just a bar afternoon. Play it back beneath some future moon. Every color splashed across the bay will be the song we never fade away. close your eyes, hear the water harmonize. We don't have to chase a song, we can let the waves be strong. Sunbeams on the tide with you, turn the whole wide sea into a view. I don't need much more than this, just the shore and your soft kiss. If the clouds begin to roll, we will still be calm and whole. We can hold this in our mind anytime the days are blind. Sunbeams on the tide with you, turn the whole wide sea into a view. Sunday morning in the yard, old cassette playing card. Plants are dancing just a bit to the breeze, the speakers spit. You bring blankets, I bring tea. Birds provide the harmony. No big event, no grand design, just your shoulder close to mine. We don't need to cross the sea to feel wild and to feel free. In this tiny patch of green, we can live a whole big dream. Sunday garden groove, we stay. Let the hours slip away, dancing with our shoes off ground to a quiet, gentle sound. Sunday garden, open sky, feels like we forgot to cry. Neighbor's cat walks through our show, pauses just to say hello. Clouds keep changing shapes above. I see hearts and you see doves. You start humming little tunes somewhere between noon and noon. Time gets lost in loops of light. We're already in the night. I don't need a neon sign to know all of this is fine. In this garden, in your eyes, I can see the bright sunrise. Sunday garden groove, we stay. Let the hours slip away, dancing with our shoes off ground to a quiet, gentle sound. Sunday garden, open sky, feels like we forgot to cry. Floating on the edge of afternoon, watching waves redraw the silver moon. Your fingers trace a pattern in the foam, turning every shoreline into home. You laugh and let the salty breeze come through. Sunlit currents pulling me to you. Every ripple dances in your eyes. Every second stretches into skies. If the colors fade to gray, we can close our eyes and stay. Let the tide rewrite the view. I just want this light with you. Sunlit currents of you in my veins. Baseline running underneath the waves. Every little shimmer in your smile carries me 1,000 quiet miles. Sunlit currents, don't let go. Hold me where the warm winds blow. If the clouds come rushing into view, I'll still feel the pull of you. If the day slips quietly away, promise you'll remember us this way, where every little breath of blue and gold was a story only we could hold. Sunlight dances on the waves. Salty breezes kissing my face. You smile like summer's brand new day. We touch the sky in the sea of light. Footprints fading in the white sand. Heartbeat moving with the beat line. All our worries drifting with the tide. Only you and gentle sunshine. Only you and gentle sunshine. We float in a rolling ocean. You shine like a sun above. All gray days fading. This moment, only the sky and the sea we love. We dance in the singing breezes. Hearts locked to this wind wave. Keep summer light inside your eyes now. Don't let it fade into the dust. Go. pouring into the blue. You lean in with just a small smile, like the sea is whispering through you. You're laughing in the corner of the bay, turning little raindrops into play. Every splash is dancing in the light, every glance is brighter than the night. We're chasing shadows through the foamy blue, sunny ripples in the shape of you. Every second stretching like the tide, all the noise is falling off our sight. Let the daylight take control, let the baseline catch your soul. If the world begins to spin, we'll just keep this feeling in. Sunny ripples in your eyes, baseline underneath blue skies. Every little sparkle that I see feels like waves are singing back to me. Sunny ripples, don't let go, keep them where the warm winds blow. If the clouds move in too fast, we'll hold on and make it last. If the sun goes hiding in the gray, we can close our eyes and stay this way. Every ripple that we made today lives inside the things we never say. You're tracing shapes on some faded current, fingers skimming golden, no deterrent. Every line you draw dissolves in blue, then comes back in softer shades of you. We drift easy in this watercolor. Every second makes the daylight fuller. All the little worries that we knew fade into the palette of this view. Let the colors run and blend. We don't need to see the end. Sun-painted currents under us, baseline glowing, gentle, luminous. Every little motion that you do smears another sunrise into view. Off the page, we still had this painted stage. We're standing in the sunrise, poly base. Every note is lighting up this place. You can feel the layers in the sand, pushing gentle pulses through your hand. We breathe slow and let the colors grow. All the blended instruments below, pads and keys and strings of golden light, holding up this easy wake inside. If the day starts running fast, we can keep this low and as it lasts. Sunrise, poly bass on the bass, bright low and guiding our day. Every woven sound we're moving through feels like morning singing just for you. If the light slips past our view, I remember waking here with you. to the beat. Wet sand underneath our feet. Every drop and every rise feels like moonlight in your eyes. We don't need to dance too wild, just enough to free the child hidden in our busy minds. Let the rhythm draw the lines. Tidal grooves are pulling us in, like the ocean calling from within. We just move and let our bodies know how to ride the current and the flow. Tidal grooves beneath the stars above feel like waves of quiet, happy love. Ooh, ooh. Foam lines glowing where we stand. Someone draws hearts in the sand. You just smile and take my hand. Spin me slowly like we planned. All the noise from life on shore doesn't reach us anymore. In this little tidal zone, we're together but alone. We don't need to think it through, just one drop in me and you. Let the low and show the way to forget the heavy day. Tidal grooves are pulling in the sand, like the ocean calling from within. We just move and let our bodies know how to ride the current and the flow. Tidal grooves beneath the stars above. We're watching tide past reflections fold, bending all the blues and greens and gold. Every ripple twists the distant shore into something we've not seen before. You say, look, the world is rearranged. Same horizon, but the lines are changed. In your eyes, the light is doing tricks, making moments we can never fix. If the shapes dissolve again, we can start from where we've been. Let the water play its part, write its patterns on our hearts. Tiny glass reflections in your gaze, baseline sliding under ocean haze. Every little shimmer that I see feels like something only meant for me. Tiny glass reflections bending time, changing all the angles in my mind. If the picture breaks into the blue, I'll still see it shaping you. If the water steals our shapes away, we were still this picture for a day. All the lines we thought we understood turned to something different, bright and good. Ties of your echo in the moonlit light. We'll stay here where the warm breeze blows, where every little secret gently glows, caught between the shoreline and the unknown blue. Ties of your echo pulling me to you. Play it on my heart when nights are long. I'll hear you laugh inside the crashing sea, a quiet melody that follows me. Stay close in the afterglow. Don't